Hello everyone, today we are going to harvest this mushroom right now. So, if you know what kind of mushroom this is, please write in the comments. And now let's start the harvest. Oh look, let me see. Whoa, look at this big one. Wow, this is gonna be a feast. Wow, oof, ew. Whoa. Oh, that one has hands. Whoa. And we still have many more to come. Oof. Just look at this. Look at this magnificent thing. Wow. Oh, we got more. Oh, we see it. As you can see, we can. Here you go. Once used. Here you go. Here you go. A little bit. Also just on it. Oh, gusto ba sa zoom na? Here you go. Let's see. Come on, let's see. As you can see. Look. Look at this. Oof. Today is gonna be so yummy. Today's dinner is gonna be so yummy. Wow, look. Just look at that. Oof. Once, give me again. There's loads of it. Oh, look at this. Wow. Wow. Just look at this magnificent thing. Wow. Wow. Here you go. Put it in the basket. Oh, this one's small, but still big. And I got the mushroom. Here you go again. Wow, look. Look at this. Wow, wow. It's gonna be so yummy, bro. Wow, but I don't eat mushroom. My mother and father are so lucky. Here you go. Please. Whoa, look. Look. The bear. Whoa. Cleaning it. Wow. Just look at that. Here you go. We'll go back. People will see. No.
No.
Let's go away.
I'll cover with.
No, look, people.
I'll cover with.